Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Robinhood to Phantom wallet. For that, first of all, you need to simply launch your Robinhood wallet, and over here you need to make sure that you have some Solana in your Robinhood account. If you don't have it, you can directly buy Solana from here. For that, you need to tap on the buy option, select Solana, enter the amount of a Sol that you want to buy, and then it will redirect you on the provider's website where you just have to follow these further instructions, select your payment method, and this way you can directly purchase Solana on the Robinhood wallet. Now once you have Solana in your account, you just have to simply come on the home page again and now tap on the send option in the bottom. Now it will show you all of the crypto coins that you have in your Robinhood account, including Solana. So since you want to send Solana, you need to simply select Solana, and now it will ask you to either scan the QR code directly, or you can even enter the details or the deposit address manually. For that, you need to select the option of enter manually, and now it will ask you to enter or paste the wallet address. So in order to find the address, you need to launch your Phantom wallet, and here tap on the receive option. This is your Solana wallet address, so you need to copy it from here. After that, you need to go back in your Robinhood account and paste the address in this section, then press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to review your details and conclude your transaction. Once your transaction is completed from the Robinhood's end, you are going to get your Solana into your Phantom wallet within just 3 to 5 minutes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.